Slow car repair, slow car garage. Today working on this 2007 Honda Accord, changing the bank to O2 sensor. So the O2 sensor is gonna be right here. It's a 22 millimeter, or you can use the O2 sensor socket, take it out. As you can see, it goes through the floor of the car. Wanna come to the back and see the back seat here. You just adjust the back seat all the way forward and you peel back the carpet right here. You can get to the harness to unplug it. So you can see the harness is right in the back right here. So you just go ahead and press the tab in and unplug it and get that harness out of there. All right, pull it out. I pulled the plastic piece out so I can access that tab better. See, I kind of pulled it out some so I can get to it. Just like that, comes off. So we got that off there. Go ahead and kind of peel this back. Peel that grommet back. And remove that to the bottom of the car. Just like that. Go to the bottom and loosen it up. There we go. Perfect. So the new one comes with that rubber piece. Do everything in reverse order. You can choose if you want to plug the harness in first or go to the bottom and do the bottom first, but I'm going to screw it into the exhaust first and then feed it through the car and plug it in after. Alright, so the sensor is in. So we can go ahead and feed that wire up through the car here. All right, we're back inside the car, as you can see. Just want to plug that harness back in, put that rubber grommet back in its place. Snaps right in, just like that. Your grommet. All right, we got that grommet in, that harness back in. So that concludes the job. Just put your carpet piece back here. Carpet back in place, just like that. That's O2 sensor on a 2007 Honda Accord. Slow car repair, slow car garage. Till next time, like, share, subscribe, comment. Peace.